Good day everyone, this is Tutor Squared, and if you want to solve this problem, you can post a video and check if we have the same answer. A man spends one-fourth of his monthly salary on rent, one-third on groceries, and the remaining 7,000 pesos on other expenses. What is his total monthly salary? A. 12,000 pesos, B. 14,000 pesos, C. 15,000 pesos, or letter D. 16,000 pesos. Now, our monthly salary is equal to X, and this X is the representation of the unknown value. Yan po yung hinahanap po natin. So, that is the unknown value, and accordingly, you can use any other letter aside from X. So, yung letters na yun yung representation of the unknown value. But this, yung ginagamit natin is yung X. Now, the rent, we have one-fourth of his monthly salary on rent. So it is one-fourth times the monthly salary. But the monthly salary is equal to X. So that is one-fourth times X, or the monthly salary. Now for the groceries, that is equal to one-third of his monthly salary. So it should be one-third times X. Now the remaining is equal to, we have 7,000 pesos. Now, the 7,000 pesos, this is intended for other expenses. Na, as we can see here, this is intended for other expenses. Now, the next step is how we can translate this given into an equation. Kasi yung po yung pinaka-crucial part dito na dapat alam natin kung paano i-translate yung given into equation para makuha po natin yung unknown value, which is the X, or the monthly salary. And now, that is X. And then meron tayong rent and groceries. So isasubtract po natin sa monthly salary yung rent and groceries, that is equal to the remaining, which is the 7,000. So mangyayari dyan is X minus rent, and yung rent is, that is one-fourth X, and minus the groceries, and that is one-third X, equal to 7,000 pesos. Now, the next step naman dito is kukunin natin ang LCD ng equation and multiply both side. Bakit ba kukunin natin ang LCD and i-multiply natin? The first is, we can solve this as a whole number without a fraction, and we can just simplify it. Diba? We can simplify it simply. So, ganito yan. Yung LCD dito, makukuha natin. We have 4 and 3. So, it should be at 12. So, multiply natin, 12. So, didistribute natin tong 12. 12 times x, that is 12x. 12 times 1/4 x, that is 3. Yung sign dito is minus, so it should be minus 3x. And then 12 times 1/3 x, that is 4x. And yung sign dito naman ay minus, so it is minus 4x. And 12 times 7,000, so yung 7,000 times 12, that is 84,000. So, equal to 84,000. Now, isi-simplify po natin yung left side. 12x minus 3x minus 4x, that is equal to 5x. And then equal to 84,000. Now, i-isolate natin yung value, no, ng left side. I-isolate natin yung x. So, i-divide natin both side ng 5. So, mangyayari dito, 5x divided by 5 is equal to, baka dito naman, kakancel natin yan, and equal to 84,000 over 5. So, yung value nito, nakukuha na natin yung value ng x. Ang value ng x is 16,800. Now, yung x, alam naman natin yun, that is the total monthly salary. Dito, nakikita natin dito, that is the monthly salary, yung x. So, yun yung question. What is his total monthly salary? So, the answer is 16,800 16,800. So, wala po sa choices natin. So, none of the above. So, yung sagot ay 16,800 pesos. So, thank you for watching.